Aowa banna dingaka tša gešo tša Limpopo nke le kgale Master Cortes banna gape tše re di bonang šetše no ba bo matharing poneng banna ba gešo ba dingaka ke kgale le ka moara game kgalang mogaleng ya ka kudu tše ke matharing poneng di šetše di no re bontšha gore haua mo is not make sure nna ke a latola ngwana kgoši ke a latola ke a bana tše ke matharing poneng ngaka interviewa ka montla court ka baka la ditabana tša lekompo aowa ba galang mothako bana aowa ke matharing poneng straight aowa mogaleng ba galang amen man ya e vala
mona Master Cortes bona re go botse something wena ngaka tsotsi ngaka fake ga botsa tswene ngaka tswene se ile no bo o torobisha ka paro dingwe tsa dikhalakhala o sa le go ba rona le khala blocking wa lo pisi o torobisha ka manaka dilwana bona ga bo Dr. Nele wile funeraleng ene ke sho gore ne weje go nya go bona gore ka nnete ba ile mmoloka ene ba mmolokile so after o ba hlabisitse go ba go pateje wa re batho ba to tetlema go fihlela ga go nwa la ona ntwe iri ga go bila gore update ka selo bona Master Cortes re tseleng ya ga gore mohlaleng wa re lapitse ke tsotsinyana bua ga no a gore ye selo bona o bushi tšhelete o ka mogo ba go fele go yona ka gona a re tlo go ka go ene rena ke ne re letetse mona.
Hi there you guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Silo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So Marta Cortes is receiving quite a lot of backlash on TikTok, you guys. Marta Cortes claims to be a sangoma and we saw himself inserting into Dr. Nell's death, you guys, saying that of course he intends on helping Dr. Nell's family in making sure that his perpetrators basically meaning that they will die, you guys. And we saw him performing a ritual of voodoo of some sort during Dr. Nell's funeral, you guys. And he told Dr. Nell's family that soon the people who did unthinkable to him will show themselves and reveal themselves to the family, you guys. Now, I saw two of these videos which I inserted there on TikTok. Now, the first guy is saying that Dr. Nell Marta Cortes rather is toying around and he is a cloud chaser because there is absolutely no ways that someone who's good at his job would just basically come on social media to basically brag about his abilities to bewitch and kill people. He says that he feels like we're being played here. Marta Cortes is someone who'd basically do anything for trends. You guys, I mean, he says, why is he busy as a sangoma? Why are you busy attending court cases? Because we did see him at Lekompo Artist Services court case last week and he was basically reporting on his social media accounts. Now that guy says that it doesn't look like he is a sangoma. He claims that Master Cortes is probably just cloud chasing. And the second guy says that it has been close to a month since he told and promised Dr. Nell's family that his perpetrators are going to, come to them. Basically, he says that definitely Master Cortes is playing with a lot of people. You guys, what do you think about this? Do you think that he really is capable of what he told the public? He promised the public that the perpetrators would be found. Do you think that he is really a true sangoma, or if he's just someone seeking clout and of course seeking, marketing his business? Basically, engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video and of course do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.